Hey there, Caleb Dennison with Digital Trends. I am standing here with Mike Fasulo, the president and COO of Sony Electronics. And Mike, every year, I feel like over the past 4 years especially, Sony has upped the ante and brought something increasingly exciting to the show. This year was certainly no different. There's a lot to talk about, so I just want to jump right into it, if that's okay for you. So, you know, we're seeing a lot of innovation in the TV space, a lot of different kind of technologies being incorporated. At this particular show, you brought out an 85-inch 8K display, and I want to be clear here, this thing is capable of producing 10,000 nits. To put that in perspective, that's 5 times brighter than any TV has ever gotten before. Tell me what was behind the decision to produce this kind of display.
Simply put, it's our obsession with delivering the best picture quality possible.
Yeah, it's, so I believe HDR is a big motivator here, but also we're talking about 8K resolutions. Can you tell me about some of the benefits that you get just from the 8K side of things?
Well, we're talking about the processor, right? So today in our televisions, in our 4K televisions, we have the X1 Extreme processor. And what we are showing as a technology announcement here at the booth right behind the wall here is the X1 Ultimate. And the X1 Ultimate can take what is our great processing engine today and expand it, 4K, 8K, OLED, LCD, regardless of panel. So it's the evolution of better and better every year.
And I'm sure you're quite aware that the Sony noise canceling headphones, the Series 2 of your flagship noise canceling headphones were once again, for a second year in a row, a perfect 10 for us. Absolutely stunning. Great noise canceling, superb sound quality, the best features, super comfortable. You guys absolutely knocked it out of the park with those. They're not being announced here at CES because they were already brought out. But you guys have been making some moves in audio, not just with high-res audio, but audio that is approachable for a wide range of different consumers. Can you tell me about some of your favorite audio stuff that's come out at this show?
Don't ask me to pick my favorite child. You know, it's I'm glad you brought up high-res audio as well, because if you go through the booth, you'll see, yeah, the X1 1000 Mark II is everything you said, and really form-fitting, no fatigue on your ears. We also announced a world's first noise-canceling, true wireless sports earbud at this show.
I'm hearing rumblings, though, both literally and figuratively.
Rumblings? What do we hear?
The extra bass speakers pumping out the extra bass, I think.
Oh, I see. I thought you were talking about the acoustic sound coming out of our OLED television, which is audio coming directly from the panel. The extra bass, we introduced it last year, and we've had phenomenal success. And it's a really cool product. It's a social product, right? Bluetooth speaker. It's got extra bass because it gives it more meaty sound, a more firm, solid audio sound, and it's got strobe lights and changes to the music. We have a mode that's called live. When you hit the live mode, you'll actually hear the fans from behind you and around you, in addition to the great sound coming out. So it's fun.
What you're describing to me are experiences, and I feel like that's what you've been talking about for the last several years, is delivering experiences. That remains at the core of your philosophy? This
is true. We call it Kondo. If you listen to Kaz Hirai, he talks about Kondo, and what Kondo is emotion, right? It's getting an emotion out of an individual. We can get you to say, wow, we've done our job. And what we try to do is we say the last 1 inch. So the closer we can get to our customer, you know, the more we can care for each other. So yes, thank you for bringing that up. Experience is everything.
I feel like the touch point that it's tangible and yet intangible that's coming from all of the products that we're seeing out here. You mentioned cameras. There are some amazing cameras to be seen here as well. In fact, there's just a ton of stuff. So we're going to go walking around. We're going to get up close with this technology. Thank you, Mike Fasulo, for talking with us about this stuff. I'm Caleb Dennison for Digital Trends. Be sure to check out all of our CES coverage at digitaltrends.com/CES, and you're going to be able to check out our live stream as well, where this interview will be aired over and over again, as it should be. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.